Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yes. My brother, please help me with my white car. Is that your own? The Givenchy, Claro. A great good morning to ever-conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze, Osahwe Nohwode. I'm very delighted to find myself within the purview of great men and women of inestimable value. Those that are watching me right now, those that are in support of me, those that are against, whichever group you belong to, I say a very big thank you to you all for joining me this morning for two reasons. One, I am not the one getting your data for you. So it is not as if I am the best or I am deserving, but I decided to say, let me use my personal data to watch this man. I say a big thank you to you. Oga, add me for the WhatsApp group again. Okay, Igbinosa Osarati, Quinty, Igbinosa. So send me a message, hi, on your name and your on WhatsApp 07036109939. Send it to me there. 07036109939. I repeat, 07036109939. Send it to me there. Then we'll do some investigation. Check your history, your social media history, your post, and your activities so far before we can say, okay, let's allow this personality to join us. The truth of the matter is very clear. Please share this video. Share this video. Now, do you know what? I need to really open some secret to us this morning. While we are campaigning, from our own angle as Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, we did our personal permutation and in the elections, and the permutation state clearly that Obaseki will win. But what the plan was, we will defeat them in Edo South, we will defeat them in the Edo Central, then they will defeat us in Edo North. We were expecting, from our calculation, we were expecting just at least a struggle to get 25% from Edo North. But you know what? When the campaign started, I want to tell you the simple truth. We will beat them in Edo North. It will not even be 50-50. The only place where I was expecting Oshomole to have ground is not even there. Esako West. The likes of Esako East, forget it. See, do you know what I mean? If you are here, as I'm broadcasting, I'm still broadcasting from Edo North. We are still in Edo North. Yes. Now there are some persons who said the chief of staff resigned. The chief of staff. Do you know that the chief of staff cannot, the former chief of staff, Tewa Kerele, cannot win his own territory? As we speak, Akoko Edo, man, I give una this hand. In fact, the love for Obaseki Shaibu in Edo North was overwhelming. So we will be say our own brother they safe. We need to go increase our love. Even if we say we love her, if you see the love we see for Edo North, I dread. cut the call. And let me plug this phone. I dread with what I see. I don't believe. See, when they want to do their rally, they carry their own go. Esako is they go do it for Fuga. They gather the people there for Fuga. Do you know that only a word, because this is our campaign, now word to word campaign. We are going to pass through the 192 words in Edo State. Only one word. Like word 2. I want to pick the lowest in Esako East. Beat their full local government rally and campaign. And you know what? They don't know, say they know if you win. They don't know. Let me quickly tell you one secret. There was a video. This video there with NTA. NTA refused to bring other video. While we were campaigning at Akoko Edo, Adam Oshomole can say in one quick, because Philip, the deputy governor, the governor, everybody was in Akoko Edo. He can quick go Philip area. One go from, even in his own neighborhood, I am in charge. See, Oshomole room. We don't know the reason, because we are not around, we don't record that scene. We don't know the reason why NTA refused to give us that video, because NTA will record that. I know Oshomole usual character. He go don't go print monitor or meditate. See, if you see the disgrace, I don't know what. I shock. See, let me just tell you the simple truth. They know say they no go feel win. I don't they play politics for years. Even they say I no see to sabi. But at least I know this game small. Even they say I know to sabi. With what is on ground. With the number of people with their PVCs. I go for if you want to get it in, I go post all the pre-recorded video, because some of those areas I know if you go live. But I get the pre-recorded video, I don't post some. I'm going to post up. You will see where we make interview. Ask them, say, is Oshomole the one speaking for you? They say, no. Oshomole cannot speak for his own family. No talk of speaking for the whole people there. You know, before we come Edo North for this campaign, there is this narrative where their media urchins, they sell as propaganda. Those their media urchins, they send this message. They make you feel, say, Oshomole is Edo North. I want to tell you today, the victory recorded in the Edo North by Oshomole was consolidated by Philip Shaibu. In fact, now Philip Shaibu, now they on ground for Oshomole. Oshomole is not on ground. The only place where Oshomole go for, even we never reach there now. Now be Oshomole area, Iyamo. And don't be surprised, he will still lose in Iyamo. Now, if you look the interview granted by the deputy governor, His Excellency, Comrade Philip Shaibu, make a plan here. I know so that many of you don't see him, but for the purpose of clarity, you now see what your Oshomole be fight for. Thank God say some of us quickly pick. You know if you use us to achieve your own. Awa. Now let me play for you to hear. Listen to this interview.
Oshomole wanted me, Philip Shaibu, to join him, knowing well that I'm closer to the members elect as at that time and members of the state assembly, because I spent 8 years in the House of Assembly here, and I spent about 18 months in House of Rep, and I have goodwill among the legislation because of my own style. And he wanted me to help him to use this same member when they are elected to remove the governor and for me to be the governor. And I say no. That my push is not my will, is not my nature to betray. If I didn't betray him when he was NLC president, when I was NAS president, when I was offered money to get the Nigerian students out of the proposed strike, if I didn't betray him then, and I didn't betray him when I was chased with money and plot of land in Metama to sign an impeachment of Comrade Adams Oshomole when I was in the State Assembly, if I did not betray him, then I cannot betray my own governor. And I said, I don't have those tendencies. And that I pleaded with Oshomole. I knelt down to beg Oshomole that this government is doing well. And the policies that we adopted during this time, we have taken them to the next level. I went on my knees to beg Oshomole that if no matter what Obaseki will have done, which everything that I asked, all the questions I asked, flimsy excuses he was giving me, and I said when I could not hold something that Oshomole had with the governor, I knelt down and I begged him. I said, I am your son. Why not because of me forgive? And Oshomole said, now he has confirmed that I am now with the governor. And I stood up and I said, well, if you want to remove the governor, then you remove the governor and I. But you want to use me to chase the governor? No way. If the governor goes, I go. And that was how I departed from Oshomole. And the truth is, I hate oppression. When Oshomole was being oppressed, I fought on his side. I was injured. I was brutalized. My family were at risk. I threw my family from when I was attacked. Aya assassination. I was to be assassinated. Aya assassin came to my house. And the man that he is supporting as a candidate, Pastor Ezeyamo, was the one that sponsored Shaba and these characters to the House of Assembly quarters where I was living then as a member of the House. Shattered the house with guns. The cars that were in front of the house, the engine, I had to change them after that incident. I threw my family through the fence. My wife, my children, I threw them across the fence to the other compound. And that was how they were saved. All in the name to save Comrade from being impeached. So if I joined to fight that oppressive tendencies and those oppressors that wanted to get him out, which Ezeyamo was part of, I told him the same energy I used to fight on his side when he was being oppressed and when he wanted to be impeached. It's the same energy I will use to fight for the governor, because he has decided to replace his own oppressors with himself to now oppress another man. And that is why I became, because I hate oppression, that's why I became an activist. I didn't become an activist for myself. I became an activist to fight against oppression. If you check my records during the military, you will see that I was part of the struggle for this democracy. So when Oshomole is talking about House of Assembly, he has asked the plan to do what he's doing. All these members that we are talking about were not the members that were elected in the APC primaries. Oshomole as national chairman got to Abuja and changed all these names and selected these members.
For more about this interview, granted, you can go to my wall. You see it there. Share it there. So the truth is this. We know it now. You see that statement? You see that statement? AK-47 at night, Bible in the day. It's a confirmed statement. Not be me talking you the year and night. He did there. So it is clear and obvious. Say now, the Yoruba they bring story. Now, Felicia people don't open one kind of one for everybody to hear. they be the first and say, we need to remove this man, make you become governor. Now they say, me no want to be governor. For now, this man they do well. Why go remove him? He has to need to beg Oshomole. The Godfather not agree. But as we speak, they not get anything where they plan apart from rigging. They don't run here and there. All the governors of APC, they tell they say, we will not come your flag off. Oshomole cannot tell us, say, you are a loser, 700 million. You are a loser, 700 million. EFCC is waiting for you. And if President Muhammadu Buhari told them point blank yesterday, I cannot be part of it. And anything will make any of the governor or even the president, if they find themselves in that area under EFCC investigated candidate, we should forget about the anti-corruption war in Nigeria. Anything will make them come. They should forget anti-corruption war. That it will be the end of anti-corruption war. That's to say those who they pilot them and those where they support them and those where anyone will find themselves is an agent of corruption. You cannot tell me 700 million cases. Now, I expect the candidate of the APC to refute the interview granted by the Deputy Governor, His Excellency, Comrade Philip Shaibu. I expect that Oshomole to respond to that interview. We know how they change the names of everybody. It happens in one day local government. I swear. But we'll just leave those areas for now. We know exactly what is going on. But the people don't conclude. See, I not tell you lie. Forget the one who they talk since then. What they say, we stand where we were afraid in a donut. I mean me and members of my team, they do diaspora connect worldwide. They don't know here. They don't know there. I want to authoritatively say it with all due respect to everyone. We will defeat them in a donut. Makam, which they claim is their stronghold. They will be defeated here. Now, yesterday, now I know say the most respected Kulu one of the universe, Chief Dan Osi Obi, has never lost his word in any election. Kulu one, Dan Osi Obi say, no be the people say as they come, they troop out en masse. Oh, they underrate this government. This man got no area so Obaseki. In fact, me drink. Oh, Godwin a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. Godwin a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. Godwin a big man. Oh, who no I'm calling small boy. Godwin a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. Hey, Maton a big man. Oh, who no I'm calling small boy. Hey, Maton a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. Give it a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. Give it a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. Osakweno what in a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. Sakweno what in a big man. Who no I'm calling small boy. We dread. What do we see? A bow. A bow no go down now. A bow. As we speak, the authentic APC chairman, Aslemo Jesua, a man who believes he cannot sink himself in the monkey pond of dirty politics, egocentrism, and corruption, came out publicly to say, for now, the reason why I'm not going to campaign is because we have no candidates. There's a difference between APC candidates and EPM candidates. See, all we need now is just vote security. Not be to win, to secure the vote. Because Oshomole is good at. We know now. Then they do election for Urumi. In with the candidate of APC, the announced result of Goyas. Obaseki na big man, who don't know I'm calling small boy. Obaseki na big man, who don't know I'm calling small boy. Oh, you know what I they observe? These people, this set of people, they like to talk loud. Today we prepare for another campaign. I pray make life, make we get network, they go live where you go use your eye to see. So that lie where they try, they tell us, you know go work. Is a am try to jump the first one, Is a am try to jump the first one, You lie to me. What you do? What you do? You lie to us. What you do? What you do? He lied to you. Is I'm try to jump the first marana, Is I'm try to jump first marana, You lie to us. What you do? What you do? You lie to us. You see? So those they are lies. None of they spread propaganda that they recruit people for internet. May they call it talk. We not matter how much they pay them. One of them, no, mention their name, mention his name. He writes FT for a cap from team. Before someone come out publicly come talk, say, we are ready for violence. When it call for violence, you should know, say, they not get any also again. I'll tell you the truth. No fear, no dread. Anybody coming to come and kill you. Anybody coming to come and attack you. Eh? Only where you go for run if you see them, say they come. Now when you see them say they come, you head no day body, run. But if you whole head day body, they come. Not conclude saying I ain't go kill you. You may end up killing him. Do not conclude say this person want to kill you. When you carry a whole head, follow body. As you see everybody when you see say they make noise, they say, hey. Now government put one for their back. Who government not put one for a back, no level. Let's take an example now. Government not put one for my back. I don't get any level. If I do some kind of thing, just appear, they remove me. Now voila. But my government, so others know they see say that they say me not with your ear. Now la. Who be with you? You know how many small much in the street where they colo, but they hide themselves because person will not get back when they use brain. So anybody, I just hear the name when you hear the year where they say name this, now be this, them Melensky, all of them are pure, nah, no issue. All of them. Now, no level. Say they say that you. Now let's take an example. We are all those. All a man, average a man. That is the truth. He not a dread anybody. That's why you see and say when crisis happen between you to a do, it the whole pass anywhere for the whole world. You know where? Because no average a man will ever accept intimidation. Naturally, it doesn't mean that you must eat for devil table or you must join one secret society before you go be stubborn man as an Edo youth or Edo man. It is inborn. So the reason why some people when they go past, some people won't be say those ones they get government money with the thief, they get government back when they take the act. Now that backup now basically withdraw so when they want killer, but they no fit succeed. If you lack all the officials where the government resign. The people in the street not resign. The street is with the governor fully. They did not tell us when they went to be collecting 40 million to betray those people. Did they tell you? Did the constituency where they for collect those money tell you, say, the representative tell the people, say, I want to go and collect money. Did he share the money? When he collect the money, did he share it for the people? Not being you he collect. So if they let the whole earth, the whole cabinet resign, for example, it will not shake anything. The street is with the governor. So let them body propaganda. Let me give an example again. They went to go and write one Louis Osayende, otherwise known as Kubriz, for their resignation list. Kubriz is an ardent supporter of Obaseki. He's my leader. Ardent supporter of Obaseki. He remains in the administration, but they publish fake information about resignation. Mona not believe them. They don't already retire. I felt on and let me tell you, politics blind mathematics they read down. I told her before, I said this is going to be fair to the end, and people must go to retirement. Some might go to political retirement at early age. Some might go at old age, but there must be political retirement. This is going to be winner take it all. It's either Edo people wins or Adamo Shomole and his allies wins. That is why at the end of the day, we tag the election, the oil war. Businessmen will get interest. They run from one location to another, say, Senate, clear me. I want to say one thing. Me and you don't know how the Senate and the rep, all of the be. Open corruption or clearance, family drop bag of money. Have you ever seen President Buhari taking what is Senate clear serious? He knows them, say, now money back clearance. All those you are seeing that they are corrupt elements. Spreading money here and there. Not be everybody that they feel bad. Do you know? Let me open up to you again. And I will do this thing. I will make the call here. Before I make the call, I want to ask how much that person tell us say I never want to mention it. That person tell us say they collect for rally where is there Yamudu each person come for Fuga
40 million.
No, not be for the one where they collect for the House of Assembly member collect. When they do that, their rally for Akoko Edo, sorry, for Fuga side, one person, how much they say they give them? Yeah?
2K.
Come out, come, not show yourself, just, you know, just talk. How much they say they give them per person?
2,000 naira.
Per person?
Only.
Okay. They share to 2,000. But I tell you one simple truth. If you still think say I dey lie, now you be a dope person. Whether you dey abroad or you dey also call your family member. Say follow them, go rally. Observe whether one kobo they give anybody for the rally. Go and confirm. Everybody will come the campaign ground. Whether at the end of the campaign they give them money, they share. No kobo when they share give them. The masses are coming out. It is a collective and unanimous resolve. Pepper them, Obaseki pepper them, ooh. Pepper them, Filishaibu pepper them, ooh. Pepper them, Osakuno Kudi pepper them, ooh. Pepper them, Ebaso pepper them, ooh. Pepper them, Oge pepper them, ooh. Pepper them, Osame pepper them, ooh. Pepper them, Abatabaze pepper them, ooh. Pepper them, Shaibu pepper them, ooh. We will pepper you people with the truth. Please share this video. All you need to do is to click on your share button. Is to click on your share button. You know, we can only take over their propaganda if much people have access to the real information. Go to the street. It is conspicuous. It is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. Politicians are respected people. Yes, I agree. But if everybody tells you that a politician wants to decide this election, if everybody tells you that a politician wants to decide this election, it's a lie. The masses have relegated politicians to the background, including Osakunoko, the relegators. It is the massive election.
Thank you so much,
Bring on.
Philip Shuaibu, for joining us tonight on the program. Let me get your immediate reaction to your former boss, Comrade Adams.
No, I don't need to play it. We have all the information in the database. We get them. We get them. But for now, we are going to be releasing it one after the other. One after the other. One after the other. My dear, you need to see. I want to quickly tell you now the truth. All these people who they talk of here and who they talk of there, we all know each other. We know each other. Isayami know me too well. I know her too well. We they discuss on phone before now. But when everybody change the political background, now me say, oh, where you go? After election, we feel play. We could tell ourselves the truth and nothing but the truth. Oh, amagumegwa oh nikugeria. Oh, amagumegwa oh nikugeria. Oh, amagumegwa oh nikugeria. So, megi seti izibona ikugariaria. Megi seti izibona
Ikugariaria.
Megi seti izibona
Ikugariaria.
Megi seti izibona
Ikugariaria.
Megi seti izibona.
Ikugariaria.
Now, we must continue to remain firm. Stay awake. Stand firm. And ready to grow mighty as a do people. You just see them, they don't, when they see real campaign, you know some people very say, oh God, when Obaseki wants to start this campaign, oh God, Obaseki never see start campaign, see the campaign everywhere. Now tell them one word. I say, calm down. I hear you what? Okay, you're ready, they agree. When campaign starts, they don't start to run from pillar to post. They're going to look for big power when they take the ring election. When they see campaign, when they see only one word, they take over their local government rally. They don't begin adopt new strategy now. Make I tell you now. Make I tell you now the strategy. They are now moving to get approval. To take rig election, and may God bless the president as well. He told her yesterday, he did not listen. That's why I said breaking news. Brother Barry requested to see is the Yamu I love. You know when somebody they behave saying I be everybody. I'm your man, I'm your man, I'm your man, I'm your man, Gwali Yobo. I'm your name, no my year, Usanera, Udo. Now, Finish, I will openly tell you now. In beg Oshomole, say, leave this man alone. You don't do your own. Nobody believes, say, he himself, they aspire to take over the position of Godfather. It is a when it say, I will make you the governor. They'll say, hey, okay, let's get Oshomole, let me tell you now. You have no right. I repeat, you have no right to decide who is the governor of Edo State, who will be the governor of Edo State. In fact, this message should go across board. No sentiment. Oshomole, you have no such right. Obaseki, you have no such right. Izeyamu, you have no such right. The baby politician, none of you have such right. Those who have right to make governor in Edo State are the people of Edo State. And they have unanimously agreed that Governor Godwin say Obaseki will be the governor for 8 years. And Obaseki cannot decide who will be the next governor after 8 years. Nobody will be a governor in Edo State. Just forget that. No single person will be a governor in Edo State. Voice populi, voice Dei. The voice of the people is the voice of God. When the people speak, they are speaking on behalf of God. We have collectively agreed as a people that Obaseki remains the project. Now, the jealousy part of it, what Oshomole they cry for is this. Unemployment, Oshomole, 0. The only employment we create Edo years, 10,000 jobs. He never come up for office where he disbanded. Many of them retired back to courtesy, stealing and criminality. I talk about ITV that day. I said the first ever courtesan security summit was organized by the Oshomole administration in Edo State. Boys, fight go come for you, fight go come for you. For government to say, oh yeah, use iron stick approach to bring down the activity so that anybody will want to try and go offend no say, fear do, government fear too. No, they don't do like that too. They'll call this side, you give them money. And when those one will say today, they feel give them, when they give them money, they say, okay, we don't stop the fight. When they start saying they want broke, they'll say their boys, money go slap the other one. You know, they'll start fight. The normal youth go to fight for street. They don't know say top of gas go they collect money for government house. They not go know say top of gas go they collect money for government house. Under that same regime, people they should go for government house. Oh! You see government go run come and say, why do you want to embarrass me? Say, police goes they helpless. Now that one made a return to Edo State. No man be Superman. Opaseki na biggie man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Opaseki na biggie man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Shaibu na biggie man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Shaibu na biggie man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. The youth are tired of killing themselves. The youth are tired of fighting against themselves. The youth are tired of being used for electoral violence. Ask Adam Oshomole where he come and say, we will give them violence. Ask him, where he picking? Will he picking fight for violence? What do you mean, where am I America? Where don't you over here standing on the Agbina? You want to call the mother, the son of Mama John, make on the fight. And your children is in America and you are promising violence. Ask Oshomole, will he come out to fight him? Will he ever have come out to fight? In life, it is only human being that pay to live on earth. Man has dominated man to his own injury. It is only human that pays to live on earth. Not only human being, now they pay to live. They die. Lizard come down, he eat what he want to eat. If they die, he go sleep on top of your, is either your protector or the side. Walk get the same thing. Bird go fly, go. You pluck leaf for bush, build the house, sleep. But for a human being to build house, human being introduce naira. Human being introduce dollar. With the paper, he go tell you, say, give me the whole of your farm produce. Now, Oshomole has stockpiled looted phones. He want to bring her out to instigate violence. Why don't you bring your sons and daughter to be at the front line? I know your daughter. Your daughter interviewed me while we were in your house in Iyamo in 2011, where I was the president Edo Corpus in 2011. Batch A. Go and confirm in your house. I don't still hold many executive positions. Now, your daughter interviewed me. Your daughter soft. It makes sense. Your son correct soft boy. Why you not bring a make on the shoot gun? Why you not bring a make on do violence? Which person you want to do the violence? Monday, Amodu say, I am from Auchi. Listen, I am from Auchi. I and my family will punish APC with come 19 September by vote PDP and Obaseki. This is the truth. Go to the feed of Edo. See, when, oh God, when we come Edo North, we say, Mona, dey careful. Mona, dey careful. Do you know, I know, man, not go talk so kind things, man, they not go use that lane where they will repair. More your liver. More your liver. We are advising. Now that you are calling for violence, let me tell you the truth. I will support any form of violence if the son of the children of Oshomole and the children of the governor or anybody supporting the governor is at the front line. They will, they back will go. If your children not there, you say, make me go. Anybody will talk that, God will punish her. God will punish that person. Thank God, no politician in those states. I repeat, listen to what I want to tell you. So, No politician in Edo State can ever open his mouth to tell me, say, come and go block the area. They no fit try. They no fit try. When I go block the area, me. They can't try that. That is the truth. I have leaders that I've worked with. Go and ask them. They will tell you. They can't tell me that. And luckily for me, I've never worked with leaders that believes in violence. Obaseki will defeat you in the field. I want to say, results will be announced from units to ward. And we are going to record everything. So if you get any manipulation, you no go bah. You need the people on ground to ring election. You can't ring it. So those one where all those many weapons where they arrange down say we come the lions and the tiger. No human being be lion and tiger. You know what funniest thing? Human beings love to call themselves lion. They love to call themselves tiger. But when you see them for road, you call them, say, go and see that animal, no the first. Is lion not an animal? Is tiger not an animal? The same people who agree say they are lions and tiger. When you say animal alpha, you go, so who is the co-animal? Who is the co-animal? That is how dull some persons are. No lion and tiger anywhere. No human being be lion and tiger. No human being be lion and tiger. Do not be deceived. Obaseki na big man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Obaseki na big man. Oh, who no know I'm calling small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. So, all those their story. Ask a mother help ask NTA. Say, NTA, why you no one bring that video? May you see what they don't show me for you don't know. You town. People don't tire now. Only you want your come your stand for even me with it. Before I believe say now show me be a donut. I school for this a donut for more than 7 years. For this a donut. You not get any area for a donut here. Women don't know. If I said no, I retreat today. If you go and say my name is still there. What I put there still there. Where I was the president. But I still when me don't come out, I consider the one that say, the president show me like your Gabriel. Me will talk like who know you know at all. Me will know this place. I be believe. Talk like who know you know. All those who you listen now, who know. One of my most respected brother, a leader, Mr. Dan Nesimuta, said, now we be a now we tell you say, a donut is for Obaseki. I not believe him. Me and I jam yesterday. But we waiting I see. Now I confirm say, Obaseki na big man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Obaseki na big man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Philip na big man. Oh. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Philip na big man. Who no know I'm calling small boy. Enio, eni negadede, enio, eni negadede, enio, eni negadede, enio, eni negadede, enio, eni. Obaseki mo wegboto.
No yawa.
Obaseki mo wegboto.
No yawa.
PDP mo wegboto.
No yawa.
Edo people mo wegboto.
No yawa.
Obaseki mo wegboto.
No yawa.
PDP mo wegboto.
No yawa.
Obaseki mo wegboto.
No yawa.
A clear message from Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Share the message. Click on the share button. As a support group of the governor, we remain firm, unshakable. We will do all we could to continue to showcase the workings of the Obaseki administration. Now, the jealousy part when I tell you now, it depends on the Moshomole say, Obaseki in 3 years, he surpass his own achievement. But wetin me be understand me say government is continue. If the next one they do wetin you no do, you see present. As we speak, the first pain where they pay Oshiomhole na Oshiomhole power plant. So governor na here wari pare mi mema. But we are I think here or gaga na equal. The same man who said God will not win. Who said God will not win? The man will be best man for a wedding. Later, Asakbuke can say he not qualify again, all because of Oshiomhole. Then they thought, hey, where is the modular refinery? All of the dossiers go hard when they see modular refinery 70% completed. They had. Via the Agita, the Agita, nothing. Modular refinery they had. Now, many of them don't even know the meaning of employment. They don't know. My own close brother and friend, for instance, I can't say Mook. He don't drag me. I want to demolish you on media. I want to demolish you on media. Come. Now we meet ourselves for media. That was on a Sunday. It's last Sunday. I been dodge all the debates. And no one gets this media confrontation with her. He can't read down to say, I am afraid to stand with him to defend this administration on media. That's okay. Now, on getting there, I later know, say, to understand the meaning of employment created by government, it is difficult for both who go school safe and who not go school to understand. So that statement is technical and you really need to explain. The question, the 200,000 job of Obaseki. In this Edo note, I can mention the number of persons that have gotten direct employment. And we have what we call indirect employment as well. A government responsibility is to create an enabling environment for employment generation by the private sector to strive. And I gave a classical example. The American government cannot employ American citizens. Lie. That is why you see President Donald J. Trump creating a salubrious environment. A salubrious environment for the private sector to strive. And where there are profit maximization, the private sector eventually needs more hands to work with them. The actions and policy of government empowers the private sector to bring in more employment. That is why at the end of the month or year, you see the President of the United States coming out to tell you, we have generated this amount of employment. How many companies in the United States is owned by the government? It is purely private sector driven economy. But at the end of the day, the employment generated under the tutelage of administration will be recorded as employment created. Even in the face of COVID-19 pandemic, we knew what was going on in Edo State. So the number of indirect, I now cited an example. I said, let's take a classical example, the CFO office, otherwise known as the GIS office in Edo State. Me know how many people me don't do CFO for. Under Oshiomhole administration, to get a CFO for policy plan, I am a professional town planner. I read land as a profession. I read land. I am a town planner, a core town planner. I read land. And I read the use to which land is being put. So you cannot tell me anything about land. I will tell you land. Now, in that CFO office, under Oshiomhole administration, you need to have policy plan, and those plans where you take all those guys along the road, major this thing. You need to have at least 1.5 million to get that CFO, and many court corner bribes to get her. But what is obtainable today? Do you know that because of that 1.5 million, 98% of the houses in Edo as a den have no CFO? What did Obaseki do? When he came, he first of all reduced the CFO to 50,000. Then when you pay the 50,000 naira to government, you will bring your survey plan. You can now employ a surveyor to survey your land, pay the surveyor, he will lodge your land into government database. Person where want to do CFO, where call surveyor, make surveyor come survey land, he pay surveyor. What is that? Is that not an employment? But many people don't know. Everybody must not work with government. Then when the surveyor finish the work, he give you back your material, your this thing. Then the surveyor, like me, I get my surveyor. The surveyor now send message to me, say, comrade, we finish the survey. They bring the survey plan for me. Inside where? I don't need a WhatsApp call now, please. Inside where the surveyor for doing work, you go say, comrade, thank you for bringing this job to me. Take this one for your own. Have I not gotten indirect employment? Now, the surveyor take the material, he gave it to me. I carry on. You bring your deed of transfer where you take by the land or the people of the land, you give me. Then I request you to bring your tax clearance certificate. If you are in the diaspora, to avoid multiple taxation, you will not go and pay into the bank to get a tax clearance. That tax clearance when you go pay for. Now only one you need. Even if say your land now 100 billion land in different locations, you don't pay again. It's for later. You only now pay 50,000 for your CFO and you provide survey plan. You get them. Now I want to ask a simple question. For those who don't do CFO for, the lowest way the people give me is 60, 100, 50,000. Now, if for example, Osakwe want to do just 2 CFO in a month, and these people gave me 80 or 100,000, will I not be able to drive any kind of car I choose to drive in a year? And they say they want to know the employment. And not be only me, they do that CFO. As we speak today, how's this way not get time for CFO are not going to get CFO? Because CFO is as cheap as pure water today. So when they want to know what employment is, teach them. Only that office alone has generated nothing less than 15 to 20,000 indirect employment. What is 20,000? It is more than. Now, direct employment for there, which is the one where government said, you, be working here. It cannot be more than 100. But the indirect, and the people who work indirect receive more than those even working direct from government. Let me ask you a question. Like me now, I cannot sit in that office after a month. You say, me, they can't give me 80,000 naira. I can't declare. No. Or 100,000 naira. Or 150. No. We deal more on businesses. We have these business ideas. Now, when me do that work, indirectly, I have been employed. Indirectly, I have been employed. That is how so many persons have been employed. Now, what about the surveyor? Indirectly, he has been employed. No surveyor today in Edo State will say in a month, he not get at least 2 survey work to do. Before, how many people they survey land? Angela Merkel, big economies in the Western world, like the German economy, depend on private sector. Now, what about the direct employment? Go to all the ministries. If you want to get this information, that is a message to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. This office is open. Go to ICT office. Send your brother. Let me describe the office to you. As you reach Sapler Road, enter State Secretariat there. Go the back. You go see the new building where Obaseki built there. And the one where if you look that place, aesthetic. Go there. Then they build where they fed day for near State CID. Then they construct that one now. But go there, just say your family member. And I tell them, say, I want to get details of all the employment. Because as at Obaseki, everything is digital. As they employ you know, say, no. You must be in the database of government. Go there and see. Say your family member. No sense I gonna hold it. Because if you say me, I can give you report. Because if you feel this, and they give you a report just to praise the government. Say your own family. Go there. Go see. This government is open for everybody. We feel be the one to talk on media. Say, hey, not me saying that we governor. Nah, it's open for everybody. Go there and confirm. Not believe the one way me tell you. Go and confirm. Say your family member. They will be free to have access to it. You know how many employment they come out every day? If Obaseki tell you say he don't employ 151,000, he's not even correct. Because he know if it make calculation of the number of indirect job that is associated with it. You know policies. Now, anybody know before say, now people know say Uronigbe rubber plantation is going on. The people in the planter, you know how many workers they there? Now, if at the end of the day, you must get this did not grow, you get tappers, or they want make your planter today may grow today, tappers come where they tap rubber. Then companies come where they convey like the likes of Dunlop. When raw materials this company will come, they will create employment indirectly. Those tappers will be government tapper. When they say, no people want in that area, nobody want work, no people, they want to put their as employment. Those companies will begin to employ people. Now, if you employ people, a woman that is selling rice, beans, groundnut, foodstuff, we drive to the place, say, well, they immediately, because people they work, money in their pocket, they will eat, enjoy themselves, pay the woman. Indirectly, that woman has benefited from government policy. All these things now, what many of them don't know, and what Oshomole not do. Now, what many people don't know, because Oshomole not doing. If you tie road, the way Obaseki self tie road too, the way Oshomole tie road, and the people they hungry, you know sensitize it. The people are coming back to break that road. You must sensitize the people while giving them infrastructure. That is the truth. That is the truth. So please, help them. Some of them are living in relative ignorance. They do not know the meaning of employment generated by government. Teach them. Although, you will not expect them to know, owing to the fact that the leader who is spreading this propaganda is a mere tailor. Sorry, tailors are not men anyway. But there are tailors who are intelligent. But this particular one, now luck, it is, you know when do you not believe say you go be, you can't go be. You get the be. That thing when you come be, now you go to use you, not be you go to use them. That's what is affecting Oshomole. That is exactly what is affecting him. There's some selected businessmen where believe say if they put the other man, they'll come the man they know me, they'll come go the family. They don't follow him. No. I never delete that text message. Hello? If if to say me myself, if to say me myself, one collect money, they make her available. After they say, oh, your money. It's still there here. In fact, I want to learn how to forward this text message. May I put on for media, but everybody know the number where they use. It's there here. I want to read that again. Don't forget that. The day when I sing that song, oh God, Charetic, as we speak, now that song be the official song for the campaign. As we speak today, now that song is everywhere. If you just give me 10 million, 50 million, I share 5 million for my people. Me, I chuck it 10 million. After 1 year, 2 years, you never put it 2 years, 10 million. I got a tier 1 house for 1 corner. No other future employment too. I said the house finished. I enjoy. At the end of the day, money finish. Shame no let me come out and look people face again. Ah, wow. Oh God, carry your money, go. Oh God, carry your money, go. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Osakunoko day. Oh God, carry your money, go. Oh God, carry your money, go. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Osakunoko day. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Oh God, carry your money, go. Oh God, carry your money, go. Now, this is the way they share this money. This is the way they share this money. Ask them, say, how they want to gain the money back. Ask them, say, now, Oga, you are sharing 40 million. 40 million. The other one will be billionaire. Billionaire will not have to people. Ask them, say, sir, with all due respect, I so much love your effort. Thank you, sir. Sir, how are you going to get this money back? Okay, you just say the true way. A businessman always engage in profit maximization. Make I break the English. When you say profit maximization, gain. So when a businessman spend 50 naira, he is expected to get 250. So if they give you 40 million today, they bring 50 million, give the next person. They carry 30 million, give the next one. The businessman carry barrel and paper. They write how much he spend. He is investing. Ask him, how will you get this money back? Or it too like Edo to say he want to weigh money. The answer is no. Who did they deceive? Who did they deceive? Have you see that money? Now, when they spend this huge amount of money running into billions, you know the treasury we want to suffer. Public treasury, Edo treasury. Now want to suffer. So, oh God, carry your money, go. Oh God, carry your money, go. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Oh God, carry your money, go. Oh God, carry your money, go. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Osakunoko day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Anywhere progress day, Philip Shaibu day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Carry your money, go. Now your money, carry and go. You have never come out to dash anybody a single dime, except you want to use them to achieve your aim. You are not get sense. Atariokpa. Oma say, Aguri Emila. Atariokpa. Oma say, Aguri Emila. May they carry their money go. If you want to play politics and you want me you feel they talk like this, as I tell you talk so, go and get your second address. Go also your office. If politicians they give you money, you know if you talk. If politicians they give you money, you know if you talk. Go and also your also. Go and also your also. When they see say when they open their new steady, they don't threaten. They don't tire. If you mistakenly send me text message now, say, this is what we are going to do you, or you call me, this is what we are going to do you. The next guys will say, you tell me something, I can't talk more. Who send you? You leave your head to us. When they say, when they open their nyas, when they spoil their effort, now they hack our WhatsApp group. Now they hack my Facebook. As they hack my Facebook in 2 hours, I get my Facebook back in Jesus' name. The WhatsApp group, I said, no, we don't need this one again. They hacker. They imported hackers. They come from different locations. As we speak now, intelligence report don't reach some of us. They get one place, they go for a cyber, I go to find people we want to cause violence we do. The videos are there. We don't see whether they come out the threatening violence. Say you are going to move from this word to this word and show what we need now a result. Go to this word. Now when they catch the person, because I'm already, you don't enter internet. Now violence. So when someone tell you say Bible in the day, AK-47 at night, now truth. Felicia Ibu now just talking again now, waiting to see why they defend Oshomole as a day. Make una open una. What's this by time?
Past 8.
Yes, thank you very much for joining me this morning. We're going to come back again later in the night after the campaign activities for us to discuss with our people. Once again, I remember humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakunokudi. Please share this video. If you are in support of Obaseki, type yes. Type yes and share. If you are in support of Obaseki, because when they see your yes, they give the fear. Type yes and share. Type yes and share. If you are in support of Obaseki, type yes and share. If you are in support of Obaseki, type yes and share. Yes and share. As they see your yes now, it depends there. Type yes and share. Type yes and share. Now, make a look waiting they go on here now. Edo people are strongly with the governor. Type your yes and share. Type your yes and share. We will punish them with the truth. Type your yes and share. You see when somebody go right, we never support. Only one from the majority. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. Please type your yes and share. Type your yes and share. Pepper them, Obaseki pepper them, oh, pepper them, Felicia Ibu pepper them, oh, pepper them, Osakunokudi pepper them, oh, pepper them, everybody pepper them, oh, pepper them, let us pepper them, oh, pepper them. Type your yes and share. We want now pepper with the pepper there now. Type your yes and share. When they say, even if you say you don't first share before, share again. Type your yes and share. Share to their various WhatsApp forum where they do. Share to their Facebook post. Share to their Facebook group. Share to any forum where you do. Click the share. Type your yes and share. 4+4. Talking about ne. It must complete. It must complete for progress. It must complete for progress. not be desperate completion with the fight for. We are fighting for the progress of Edo. It must complete for progress. Now see, you see the yes. Since when we they talk, since now only one no, you don't see since. When they hear this one from me, now they'll send their people. So yeah, go and invade that video. Go and begin to say no. Go and they not fit. The voice of the people is the voice of God. The voice of the people is the voice of God. I felt on one day, I say, come. Now because of coronavirus, I never see go slow for aeroplane. The way diaspora wanted to you, shock. We pray. Now, everywhere don't they clear small. We pray, make this flight open before the election. You use your IC. If it's not 2 days to 11 people will run come. Tap your yes and share. 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 Let us teach them new thing. Tap your yes and share. The most respected Stanley OJ. I join say I love you too. Ivie Oshodi. I join say I love you too. Monday. Amodu. I hail you. I love you too. Ogbane Moses. Iyoma. I hear you. Osasnaz. I hear you. Edos Osayi. I hear you. I hear you all. See Gobe. See Gobe. Tap your yes and share. Tap your yes and share. Osas Idaho. I hear you. Tap your yes and share. Tap your yes and share. Tap your yes and share. Francis Ogerahi. Tap your yes and share. Men Omo. Tap your yes and share. Yes, nobody can say no. Pastor Mike D. Eboigbe. Tap your yes and share. Thank you. Evangelist Mars. Great. Tap your yes and share. Make them know say Edo people. Niger everywhere. Please share it to the group. Share it to the. Tap your yes and share. One man cannot discuss or decide for all of us. Type I have. I have if you have shared. Type I have. 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 If you have shared, type I have. If you have shared, Prince Osayenda James, I love you for one thing. 247, you know my name, you did write to your comment. Osahwenokbodi, I greet you. Type your yes and share. Type I have. If you have shared, type I have. If you have shared, type I have. Pastor Marty Eboigbe, thank you very much. Stanley Osende, you are a great man. Thomas William, Bobby, you are a great man. Helen Austin Omora, you are a great man. Aldona Kelly, you are a great man. Osamede Ike, you are a great man. Yes. Patience, I've seen your share. Yes, I have. Mayor Ikebo, correct. Bobby, Triple Bobby, the great Bobby himself. You are too much. Meg Omo, you are too much. Napoleon, you are too much. MC, the baddest, you are too much. Sunday Inorama, you are too much. Charles Ibadi, you have, yes. Ken Ehis, Ude. Napoleon William, you have. Yes, I have. Clap. If you have shared, if you have written, you have. Use your type, your clap emoji. Use your clap emoji. Clap for yourself. Masayane, ima agwokiya, uwayara diai. Your clap emoji. Clap for yourself. You deserve it. You deserve it. Let us continue to punish them with the truth. Osas Nice. Sylvester Osaige. Francis Ogeirahi. Osato Asenogwan. Please, Osato Asenogwan, share it to our group immediately, please. Share it to our group. Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Share. Oh, Monday, Modu, say, Stanley One, saw you now, Chime. Play. Oh, thank you, bro. We are still here. We are still on ground. No shaking. No shaking. Clap for yourself. Use your emoji. Clap for yourself. Use your emoji. Clap for yourself. Use your emoji. Clap for yourself. Pepper them. Edo people pepper them. Oh. Pepper them. Edo people pepper them. Oh. Pepper them. Edo people pepper them. Oh. Edo someone correct. Austin, correct. You are clapping already. Yes. Usamede, yes. MC Sek Gobe. Yes. Freedom. I greet you. Yes. Clapping emoji. Clapping emoji. Thank you very much. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Ogba, Owagba, Ogbane. Obaseki is the project. As we are defeating them online, we are defeating them on ground. Never again shall we ever allow evil people to take an advantage of our democratic infrastructure in the state. Evil strive when good people decide to remain quiet and allow evil people to take an advantage of the situation. This time, we are collectively saying, Kabuto rejetamenta against these elements. Mike Way, you go agree? Type no. You go agree? Type no. Type no. You agree? Type no. You agree? Type no. Clap. Type no. Type your no. Type your no. Type your no. With the pepper then so. With the pepper then type your no. You go agree? Type your no. Type your no. Type your no. As the day now, it depend them. When the people they look me, it depend them. It depend them. It depend them. Don't say, oh, do this one so. See, oh, where you oh. Oh, mala. With your own kettle. Oh, where you oh. Type your no. You go allow them. Type your no. See peppering. See peppering. Obtain. Or wawe hiyan. Or wawe baliyan. Or wamana mama we boru uboa. Obaseki is walking. Oi. Obaseki is leading. No. Obaseki is leading. No. Obaseki is leading. Oi. Oi. Oh dear. Oh. Oh dear. I want to round up by calling on my brother to give me a very beautiful song. Not the insulting one. The beautiful one. Against that emotion. Don't insult him. Please. Come. Thank you very much. I remember my humble self. Comrade Stanley Osazo Sakunokodi. Why my brother is coming out to, as a matter of urgency, give us the closing remark and a beautiful song to that effect. Just listen to him and continue your clapping ovation.
Short man, no way.
Come on, sit.
Short man, no way. Short man, no way. In the name of Jesus. Short man, no way. Short man, no way. Short man, no way. In the name of Jesus. Short man, don't go. Short man, don't go. Short man, don't go. In the name of Jesus. Short man, no way. Short man, no way. Short man, no way. In the name of Jesus. About the truth be say, even in now, even in now, I do not. Short man, it don't go. It don't go. It don't get level. It don't get level. One level, you don't get. You don't get level. Even when we eat, if you don't know what they eat, because they wear PDP cap and the tag, they buy them, they give us a chop. Free. People they happy for streets. See all the people where the man made give them. Who are people where talk he won't do, not do anyone. Gani, make you don't know now. He not get house for this one. He
not now take the sleep.
He not get house. They say he go come, he go vote, he go come out. One night for your house for you don't get house for you.
I bet there.
You don't get house. Short my dongo. Short my dongo. Short my dongo.
In the name of Jesus. Short my dongo. Short my dongo. Short my dongo. In the name of Jesus.
See, I beg. Una PVC. Go keep them. Put them for your wallets. Put them for your hand purse. Put them for your fire. That day, we go pepper them.
Pepper them.
We go pepper them. That day, we go pepper them.
Pepper them. Philip shall go pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Continue.
But in now, say, will come Benin. Listen, no. Yesterday, in the Abuja, let's come from Abuja. Say Benin, in the company. Say he never endorsed POS. Listen again, no.
Yes, case.
Listen again, no. As you speak now in those states, the chairman of APC Edo, at the Mujezua, say APC no candidates. They operate as APC now by those states. No, very soon. What will happen? No fear. But you will say in a lion and tiger. No wahala now. No wahala. You get one case.
Zoo.
Get one case with the build
Zoo
for animals.
Zoo.
So when they see animals, they see human. So animal will be animal human. We put it for one cage. What do they call? Oyeran. No stress. What I say na belion and tigers. God create you now. Hand and leg. So that be human being. I pray. If possible, not go back that word again. So that be human being. I remain una brother, una pikin. Comrade Ogeon Easy Emmanuel. Short man don't go. Short man don't go. Short man don't go. In the name of Jesus. Short man no way. Short man no way. Short man no way. In the name of Jesus.
Thank you very much. I want to quickly say this. Our brothers and sisters in diaspora, una get the power to control these elections. Call all your family members. Tell them, make all of them come out. May they come vote for Governor Paseki. Una know enough. Then others should go and get their PVC. PVC, uncollected PVC is still food there. If by the power of God, with chance there, I'm going to create opportunity. I will combine the names of those where their PVC there. We will go there and collect your PVC for you. If you don't already do one before, it did INEC. No, INEC cannot stop you from getting it. So this is an assignment for our brothers in the diaspora who are supporting this governor. Call your family immediately. For the one who never get in PVC, you should go there and collect their various PVC. If they don't do the PVC in the past, I never raised their hand. Thank you. Good morning to you all once again. I remember my humble self, Commissioner Leo Sazok Sakunokudi, hoping to give you major updates. Bye for now.